All right, Cole, what are we here to do?
Fish.
You guys recognize that water tower right there? Grab the light scope, boys. We saw a lot of fish in the live scope, and now we're just trying to find it.
You dropped the camera. Oh, don't drop it, man.
Right? See that? There's a lot of fish down there, but I don't know what it is. Oh, slip.
What? You see it?
Big one's coming. Just got the first crappie of the day. What you catch? Sonny.
Yep, crappie.
Ooh, that's a decent size perch. It's just a perch. Is that a... What is that? What is that?
It's a sunny.
What the...
Sunfish. Come on, big bull crappie. There you go.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's a little sunny.
There's one over there. Where you at?
Ain't no way.
You alright?
Got that camera.
We just got back from the lake. We caught 7 crappies and 1 little perch. We are gonna fillet these fish. I'm not the best at doing this, but these are some pretty big crappies. So they're about like 10 inch. Oh yeah, here's one for me. Okay, that's 2 fillets. Yeah, 2 fillets. I'm gonna cut it off like that. I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. This is how I usually do it. Poke it through right here, and then cut the skin all the way here. Just like that, and then bring it back to me, or cut it this way. Don't mind the fish. It's just twitching. Guys, these are the finished fillet here. For the bigger piece, I'm gonna cut it to bite size like this. And I'm gonna do the same with all of these. And then the smaller ones, like this tiny one, I'm just gonna put it right there. Same with this one. This is the seasoning my dad mixed up. this should be good. So this is how it looks out. Okay, this is what we're gonna mix these in. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in like that. Cook these. I'm gonna put each fillet in. Oh yeah, the oil's ready. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in the oil and then wait until it's cooked. These are the finished fillets. I'm gonna test one. Oh, that's a piece I'm gonna test. It's really hot. And these fish, keep in mind, these fish were alive like 2 hours ago. Hope you like the video.